Hello everyone and welcome back to Neil Explains. Today I come with this simple but tricky question. 8 in 8 minus 8 into 8 divided by 4. Which what will be the answer? So if you have already solved this question, then go and comment your answer. I will give them heart, and in the next step I will solve this with PEMDAS. So here we can see 8 minus 8 into 8 divided by 4. As we know, division and multiplication have the same priority, and in that case we solve it from left to right. Okay, so here 8 minus 8 into 8, that is 64 divided by 4. 8 minus, now divide, which will be 64 divided by 4, which will become 16, and 8 minus 16, which equal to minus 8. So here minus 8 is the right answer. And so if you like this question, subscribe us and check out our best books in the description.